I'm so excited. ColourPop really out here doing things. Okay. Hey, thank you guys so much for tuning back into my channel. If you're new here, please be sure to subscribe and join the family. So as you guys can already tell from the title, we're going to be doing a first impression and review of the ColourPop No Filter collection. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so we have so much to go through. I have this huge box full of goodies. I pulled out my Trader Joe's micellar makeup remover cleanser wipes. Used them and they do not burn, so definitely a good find from Trader Joe's. Okay, so your girl couldn't figure out what foundation, so I had to buy a tree. The system recommended 150. I picked up 145 and 155. Foundations are super cute. Like, look at how small that is. Super cute. And they are 0.85 fluid ounces. Now, I don't mind small foundations because I feel like, for me, let it be a cheaper price, let it be smaller, because I am not wearing makeup every day. Literally, I've only really been wearing makeup for these videos because I don't go nowhere but work, and that's it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just swatch these colors. So this is the 145. I think that's a no for me, dog. Now this is 150. Now from what the reviews I've seen, this foundation oxidizes like no other. Now so far I'm thinking 150 is looking good. This is just looking too yellow for me. I used to be this girl. I used to. But the sun done gave me that God glow. Can't nobody tell me nothing. If you think 145 is your color, just let me know. And it's yours. Because she's not looking like she's for me. And this is 155. And she's looking like the best fit for me. But I heard this oxidizes down like crazy. But I know for sure I'm not going to be this high yeller. So my face is already primed and prepped, so we're ready for that. I'm gonna actually use the foundation brush that they give you when you buy the foundation. It's nice and saturated. And we're just gonna go in for the kill. I do not use brushes anymore, so this shall be interesting. I will be surprised if I don't switch to my beauty blender. Honestly, I will. I'm just gonna do half my face, see what's going on here. I'm looking a little crazy. Yeah, this, I do not miss a brush at all. That was just one side, and we did one layer. Look at that. Boop, boop. Looks really nice though. Really nice on the skin. Very, very nice. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a second pump. And this time, I'm not gonna play no games. I'm gonna use my beauty blender. Or Real Techniques foundation sponge. Get that all over. I'm looking in the camera now. I'm really liking this side more than this side. So complicated. Skin is looking very nice, I think. The next we have, I have a lot of no filter products. A lot. So we have the setting powder, the pressed powder. But I think I'm going to go in with the No Filter Concealer. Now, this is the first No Filter Concealer that I've ever purchased. Ever. Super cute. I'm hoping this is my shade. So we're going to see. This concealer, compared to my NARS, is a lot more yellow. You can see. So I'm going to swatch. ColourPop up top, NARS at the bottom. So I don't mind the fact that this one is yellow. I feel like the NARS one is like true to the one shade above your actual foundation color, but I'm not mad that this is the color that it is, so we gonna see. So let's get this popping here, right under the eye. I really like this applicator. See how it's flat? Really, really like that. So usually I'm a one stroke concealer kind of girl. Like I'll just put that one, not one stroke, but one application, but I'm still seeing like my dark under eye circles peeping through. So I'm gonna have to go in with another layer of this concealer. But I'm not mad at how bright it's getting around the arms. Like, I'm not mad at all. Definitely have to build it. Let's see if it's in fact buildable, because I don't know. So we're gonna see if it's buildable. This concealer isn't making me say, oh man, I'm gonna run and go get this again. I'm liking the foundation definitely, but I think I'd prefer my NARS concealer. And not even because of the color, I just think as far as the like just the product itself, my lashes are tweaking. I'm just not as in love with it as I am with my NARS. Let's hit this mouth with the concealer. Use the bottom of my Air Technique sponge to stick it that good. So I don't not like the concealer, but let's see. Being that it's not something I can go grab like at Ulta or Sephora, to my knowledge, I probably wouldn't run for this. But I do like how I'm looking right now. Can't say I don't. I think right now, I think that we're looking actually really great. Like second skin. I would give this a second skin comparison. Our concealer is done. We're going to go in with the Banana No Filter powder. A lot of people swore by this. They liked it so much. So we're gonna see, and we're gonna see, and we're gonna see. I do think that this is a lot better because right now it's not bugging on me because my Sashka, girl, Sashka, get it together. But we're gonna just set this initially. Just gonna press it in, not like baking, just setting. And you've all seen this before, so we're not gonna waste too much time on this. If you want to see how I apply it for real, just check out my first video and you will see it. Gives you that same nice color payout as Sashka does. So now that we've done that, we're gonna do our second layer, and this is where the baking comes in. It's very sheer, I'm feeling like. Very, very sheer. This is 10 times more sheer. Like, I'm still getting that bake effect, but I feel like with my Sashka I would look like a powdered donut. This, you don't really have much to wipe away. Not really. Yeah, I don't see much of a difference between this and Sashka. So this right now is getting an A+ for me. But like, it's on my hands. It's so fine and so sheer. It's like, it's just like beautiful. Like, it's like the most beautiful dust ever. So there you go. This right now is winning. The concealer and the foundation, so the formulas of both, A1. A1. I think the problem is the shade, which a lot of companies, I feel like that's the thing. Like, NARS is a heavy hitter, and Fenty followed after that for me. And My shade I feel like is beautiful, matches well. I don't get that ashy look for both foundation brands, so that I really do really love and appreciate. Here it just may be that I put the wrong color on, but the formulas of both are immaculate. I would say that for the foundations, I would probably stick with my NARS, because this is like it's not plain. Radiant Creamy blah blah blah. Radiant Creamy Concealer is definitely what this is, and I like that I feel it, where this one I'm feeling like I don't really know. Again, the colors are very different, but I do like this color that I have on me right now. I don't mind, but I'm talking about formula wise. I love that this is thicker and more creamy. This kind of is like to me very lightweight, just like the foundation, and I would want my concealer to do more than my foundation, in my opinion. I'm not really gonna bake for too long, so I think I'm ready to take it off, because I don't really care to bake for hours today. So what I am noticing compared to Sashka is this bake ain't really going nowhere. Like, I'm brushing it off, but it really ain't brushing off. Let's see if I use something that's a little bit more compact. Oh, these lashes are just crip walking all over my face. Yeah, that banana powder is fine, but it ain't really trying to move for me, sis. I have a pressed concealer, and I bought medium dark, but I don't think this is gonna work for me in comparison to my almost lost ya. So if I compare the two, they're really not that far off. This one does look a little bit, this has a little bit more of a yellow maybe. This is more red. Just gonna see how this bad boy performs.
Just putting this medium dark all over. Really lightweight this.
So for this, I definitely wouldn't go for this over my Micro Smooth, but if you're just getting into makeup, I think this is a cute alternative. Alright, so I think that we're looking pretty good so far. I'm just gonna go in and do the rest of my face. I'll come back with my final thoughts on how I really like the foundation and the concealer, actually all the products. Yeah, so I'll be right back. Hey guys, okay, so of course my Rode mic died in recording this and I had no idea. But as you can see here, I'm just pressing my face with some Micro Smooth because I was oily. Now I had this foundation on for about 6 hours. I went shopping at the outlets with my mom and just like made a full day of it. And the foundation did great. I was just a little oily, so I should have, and I should continue no matter what foundation I'm wearing, carry my Micro Smooth just so that way I can blot here and there and handle that. So I definitely give this foundation an A- B+. And that is because I don't know if I'm really liking the color that I'm getting from this. I feel like it matches my arms, but I don't know. Maybe my tan is a little weird. I just got to figure that out. So that's why I'm going to grade it there. As for the pressed powder, banana powder, and concealer, I wasn't a huge fan. But again, this look still is amazing. And if you're new to makeup, I would recommend this whole collection for you just to get an idea of what you're doing for an affordable price. So if you guys enjoyed this look, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me a message on what you did, how you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Look, hey yo, I open my eyes, the sunrise right atop my cranium. Stress weight the body like uranium. What's the verbatim? Every day like deja vu. Only fear is I start to get comfortable. Not wanna be typical. Climb my way to the pinnacle while I'm alive in my physical, yo. And money soon be the ritual.